In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your VPN and proxy. So this is going to be a really easy tutorial. We just need to go and open up the start menu, search for settings, and then click on the settings window. Over in the left-hand side, click on network and internet. And the first thing we're going to do is click on proxy. Now, if you have a proxy server turned on, if you come down to where it says use a proxy server, click on the edit button and just go and disable this option like so to turn it off. And then we can press save to save those changes. You also want to ensure that use setup script is turned off as well, and you can do that just by pressing edit and also toggling this to off. Once you've done that, press save. Now to go and turn off and disable a VPN, we can come back over to network and internet. We can then click on VPN, and if you have any VPN active connections, they'll be listed here, and you can go and disable and turn them off from this window. You also want to disable these two options here, allow VPN over metered networks and also allow VPN while roaming. Make sure these are both turned off. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.